2.8 million views, 700,000 views, and 500,000 views. About 20 days ago, this specific channel started posting, and now it has a total of 11.3 million views. And the reason? It's the uniqueness. Whoever is running this channel is absolutely a genius. And by the end of this video, you will be able to make these videos easily. Instead of using AI power to create memes, they have used it to make these viral, stoic videos, and they are going insanely viral. And I have already figured out how to make videos like this, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And also I'm going to show you several other niches that you can apply the same method and go viral before anyone else.
She left me. The moment her Instagram blew up, brand deals, attention, followers, she said she outgrew me.
No, she didn't outgrow you. She traded you.
I loved her, man. I supported her from day one. Now I can't sleep. I keep thinking about her.
That's your mistake. You made her your purpose. And the moment a woman tastes validation from thousands of strangers, weak attachment becomes dead weight.
So you're saying fame changed her?
Fame doesn't change people. It reveals them. Attention is a drug, and most people fail the test when they get unlimited access to it.
But she promised.
Promises mean nothing without discipline. And Instagram rewards ego, not loyalty. When her value started coming from likes, your presence became optional.
So what do I do now?
You stop crying over a woman who chose applause over character. You go to the gym. You fix your body. You fix your mind.
That video was created by me, and that's what you are going to learn today. Now, this channel's niche is stoicism, but I'm not going to advise you to copy this exact niche. Instead, you can apply this style to another niche, like the example you just watched. What I did was I applied that same video style for the self-improvement niche. Instead of a couple, the conversation is between two men. Now, the first thing we need is a video script. We are focusing on short videos, therefore a short video script between two men would be good. I'm going to use ChatGPT for this process, but I'm not going to use the AI-generated script exactly as it is. I'm going to change it to my own words. I would suggest that you guys do the same, because your videos are not supposed to be 100% AI generated. Okay, this is the prompt I'm going to use, and this is not a complicated prompt. I just simply explained what I want. It goes like this. Create a short video script. This is a conversation between two men, one of whom is wise, and he knows about society. The other man is not wise and doesn't care about his well-being. So this man told the other man that his girlfriend broke up with him after she got famous on Instagram. And the wise man explains him why a lot of girls change when they get famous and asked him to move on, go to the gym, take care of himself, and crying about such a girl is a waste of time. Make it sound stoic, controversial, and harsh. This is a full, serious conversation. I would suggest you guys make videos on these types of topics. These are attention-grabbing stories. Once someone starts to watch a video like this, there is no way that they would scroll before knowing how it ends. So, be creative with your ideas. We have our AI-generated script. Now, you need to read this and change at least 50% of this script into your own words. Once you are done with the script, go to 11 Labs or any other AI voice tool. Now, for this video, we need two male voices, one mature voice, and the other can be a normal voice. Then, you need to generate each dialogue separately. Don't just copy every dialogue at once. We need them separately. And then we can go to the next step, which is creating visuals. Okay, the first thing you must do is create cartoon-style characters that match your video. For our example, we need two characters, a wise and stoic man and a normal-looking dude. I'm going to give you guys a prompt. All you need to do is go to ChatGPT and type this. Refer to the following art style and make detailed prompts to generate an image with the same style for the given scenes. And then paste the prompt. You can get this prompt from the description. Now, I'm just going to explain the character as this. Two men around the same age are sitting outside in the backyard. There is a campfire and they are holding beer bottles. One person has a beard and he is mature and has a good physique. Looks-wise, the other dude has a belly, not a good physique, and he looks depressed. And now, ChatGPT is going to modify this to create a cartoon-style image. Now, for the next steps, I'm going to use this AI tool called AI Video. This tool has everything we need to complete our video. You can use the link in the description to sign up for this AI tool, and make sure to use this promo code to get 20% discount. And guys, this is not a promotional video. I'm just using an affiliate link. And there is no free method to make videos like this. I'm sorry. Okay, first, I'm going to start a new project. And from these features, I'm going to go to this AI editor. Now, this is where we are going to create all the images and videos. First, you need to select an image from this list instead of videos. And I'm going to paste the prompt we just generated. As you can see here, we have all the latest AI image models. Select your favorite AI model and make sure to set the aspect ratio to vertical because we are creating a short style video. And here is the result I got. I think this looks good. Now, we need to make several shots of this image. What I'm going to do is upload the image that we just created as a reference and make sure to select Nano Banana Pro as the AI model. And I'm going to simply type close-up shot of the man with a beard, don't change anything else. And let me show you the result I got. Okay, this is perfect. Now, let's do the same for the other character. This looks amazing. Now we have 3 versions of the same image, and it's time to convert these into videos. Okay, first, you need to select this image to video feature. I'm going to drag and drop the first image. As the prompt, I'm going to type, "The man in the red shirt talking sadly, he says." I'm going to add the dialogue. For this generation, I would recommend you guys to use the VO3 model because it has the audio capabilities. Or you can use Kling 2.5 model. Still, it doesn't have a voice, but it's not going to be a problem because we already have the voiceovers. We just need to dub those later. So I tried them both, and here are the results I got.
She left me. The moment her Instagram blew up, brand deals, attention, followers, she said she outgrew me. She left me.
The VO3 version is not actually good for our video, because in that video, both of them are talking, but in the Kling version, only one guy is talking, which is a good thing. So, let's use the Kling model for the next clips. So, just like this, you need to generate talking videos for all the dialogues. Make sure to mention the facial expressions to be serious and sad for suitable characters, and make sure to use all the different camera angles. So, these are the clips I created. And now, we can do the final editing process. And guys, I forgot to mention earlier, with this tool you can also generate AI voices. It has all the voices from 11 Labs as well. Since we already generate the voices, I'm going to upload those to this. The next step is very easy. Add the voiceovers to this timeline in the correct order. You can just drag and drop these files one after the other, like this. After you are done with the voiceovers, you just need to add the talking videos to the timeline and make sure to use the correct characters for the correct dialogues. And that's just it. This editing process is super easy. One more thing you can do is, you can add sound effects. Now, in this video, there is a campfire. So if you go to this sound effects, you can generate any sound effect you want. In this case, we need a campfire burning sound. Just like this, you can add the sound effects and background music for your video and complete it. And that's how you can create those viral videos with a few steps. I think everyone can do this. It's not that complicated. Okay, I hope you guys learned some valuable information from this video. I wish you guys the best of luck, and I will see you in the next video.